Code with Kaleem. Today I'm going to start the Flutter Web series. In this series, I'm going to give you the entire, entire capability him and as well that he can by just follow my lecture thoroughly. I believe that he or she can start play with the Flutter up to some extent. But you have to keep focus on this one. So let's start. And for this section, I'm just going to give you some introduction and the advice of effective learning. You know that by just watching the tutorials and without any coding is not possible to understand that lecture. So the more you do it, more you remember. So let me give you an example. For instance, if you are reading a book of rock climbing, can you just climb by just reading the rock climbing? Of course, that is not possible. You know that there is one saying of Aristotle: for the things we have to learn before we can do them, we learn by doing them. So actually, rock climbing is like a programming. In a rock climbing, we have to figure out how to climb. And when you are about to finish the climbing, you fall. Same goes for programming. So in a programming world, when you do, then you start to face error. So you have to keep patience and grit and have to sort out those errors to keep move on. You can get your error support by follow multiple platforms like Google, Stack Overflow, ChatGPT, YouTube, GitHub, and you can also join my Discord channel for tech question as well. That link is given in this lecture as well. You know that why you need to join the groups. It's the same thing that the other person will encourage you that you can do it. It's the same thing like rock climbing. If someone is already on a next stage, then he's just encouraging the lower person that you can also do it. So you know that if you climb the mountain alone, you will climb faster. If you climb the mountain together, you will climb higher. So I believe as a learner, we sometimes go through our learning journey along, and that may be discouraging if you face a challenge. That's why I feel that having a chat allows us to reach to the new height in our learning journey. This lecture, as I'm going to give you lecture on Flutter, but in my realm that I will not have only lectures related to Flutter. I'm serving lectures in Node, Angular, Java, Python, and AI as well. So I would really suggest you guys that you should subscribe my channel, so in that way you will get all the updated videos and free of cost. You know that I'm not going to charge anything for this. You know that there is one uh, but you have to keep persistent with this one. As you know that there is a great saying, a man is great not because he hasn't failed, a man is great because failure hasn't stopped him. So guys, so in the next section we are going to set up and we'll do all the requisite installation.